Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'm excited to show you a time-saving technique for filtering and copying data in Excel. Imagine this scenario. You have a dataset that includes stock transfers from Warehouse 1 to Warehouse 2 for different project numbers. Now, let's say you want to transfer data for each site into separate sheets. Normally, you would have to manually filter each site, copy the data, and paste it into a separate worksheet one by one. This process can be quite challenging and time-consuming, especially if you have multiple sites to deal with. Well, I have great news for you. I've developed a VBA code that automates this entire task with just a single click. With this code, you'll be able to filter the data for each site automatically and copy it to a new worksheet without any manual intervention. By using this VBA code, you'll save valuable time and eliminate the hassle of performing these repetitive tasks manually. So let's dive in and see how this amazing solution works. First, let me open the VBA code editor. Here, we define variables to store references to worksheets such as source sheet and target sheet. Where source sheet contained original data, and target sheet to copy the filtered data. The ranges we declared as source range, data range, and individual cells. The site name variable is declared as a variant data type to hold the site names. I'll be pressing the F8 key to execute the code line by line. First line break statements, set the source sheet variable to refer to the worksheet named str in the workbook. The source range variable is set to the range that starts from cell F5 and extends to the last non-empty cell in column F. In this case, we will be using the data in column F as our filter variable. Replace the column name in the code, aligns with your project's needs. The site_dict object variable is to create a dictionary object named to store unique site names. A dictionary is a built-in object that allows you to store and retrieve data using key-value pairs. It is similar to an array or a collection, but instead of using numeric indices to access elements, a dictionary uses unique keys. The code line, the loop iterates through each cell in the source range in column F, and checks if the site name is already present in the unique name list. If it's not present, it adds the site name to the dictionary, and it will create a new worksheet immediately. The next line will execute, and renames it with the site name. Once the new worksheet created, the next code is to copy the header row from the source sheet, named str worksheet, to the new target sheet. This loop will iterate until it finds last row of the data, by adding the unique site name list to the dictionary, and creates new worksheet each time. Once it is complete creating new worksheets, the next loop iterates through each unique site name in the dictionary list. For each site name, it resets the data range variable to nothing, and then searches for matching site names in the source range. If a matching site name is found, the entire row, from columns A to K, is added to the data range. Then the union function is used to combine multiple ranges into a single range. If the data range is not empty, it means there are rows to copy. It proceeds to copy the data to the respective site name sheet. The target range is set to the next available row in column A of the site name sheet. The data range is then copied to the target range, and the auto-fit method is applied to the entire column of the pasted data to adjust the column width. After finishing the process of copying data for a specific site, the code will proceed to locate and copy the data for the next site from the source sheet to the target sheet. Once all the sites have been processed, the site_dict dictionary will be cleared to prepare for future operations. And a message box is displayed to indicate that the operation has been completed successfully. As you can observe, the data for each specific site has been successfully transferred to separate worksheets using this technique. This method can prove to be highly beneficial when you need to transfer monthly data into individual worksheets. Moreover, I would like to emphasize that this code is available for free download and can be used according to your specific requirements. It is my hope that this video tutorial has provided you with valuable insights to expedite your daily Excel tasks. If you have any comments or questions regarding today's tutorial, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I will personally address each comment and ensure that you receive a satisfactory response. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content in the future. Alright, it's time for me to wrap up for today, but stay tuned for my next video where I'll present another exciting tutorial.